What's happening? It's Chef J20 checking in. We're gonna be doing a little birthday dinner for my wife for her birthday. We got a little Moet champagne rosé. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do it big for my lady. You know, it's her favorite dish. She loves short ribs, so stick around and we're gonna get into it tonight. Alright, let's get right into it. So you're gonna get your short ribs. You're gonna use some kosher salt, some black pepper. You know, salt every side of it. Get some peppered up real nice, evenly coated. Gonna get your mirepoix going. Snap, boom, olive oil. Look at that, real nice. Saute your mirepoix, throw some herbs in there, get real fragrant, throw in some red wine. You want to cook that out until the alcohol is pretty much evaporated. Alright, so after you got your mirepoix cooked, you're going to put it in a pan, right, and get your nice hot skillet going. You want to sear your short ribs, get a nice color going on them. Once they got some nice color, put them in your pan, foil wrap it up, throw it in the oven, about 400 degrees, probably about 2 to 3 hours. So you got your short ribs in the oven. It's perfect for time to work on the side. So we're gonna get these green beans going. We're gonna blanch them. So you quickly cook them in boiling water. Gonna drop them with some ice water. You know, stop the process of cooking. Get some real nice and green and crisp. This mixture right here is gonna be for the creamy mashed potatoes, garlic infused. So we got some shallots, some garlic, fresh herbs, fresh thyme. Gonna saute that down so it's real nice and fragrant. Go ahead and throw your cream in there. Let that steep for a while. Season it with some salt and pepper. Once you got this mixture cooked down nicely, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the mixing bowl. If you don't have a mixer, you can just use regular whisk. Throw the cream in there. We're gonna whisk it up real good, get it real whipped and creamy. Don't forget to taste as you go. You can add some more butter to this if you like a lot of butter in your potatoes. Add some more salt and pepper if you need to. Man, do you see that plate? I know y'all can smell that through the video. Oh my god. And this is such a great time to make this for my wife, man. I always enjoy cooking for her, especially when, you know, get to do some nice plating for her. And, you know, as you can see, she loves it. You know, look how tender that meat is, falling off the bone.